Hey, what is up, you beautiful earth people? I'm Som from Webfolio, and today we are gonna talk about a specific AI copywriting tool called Rytr. Now, there are other AI copywriting tools, and I will be making a comparison video of all of them in the future, so subscribe if you want to watch that. And of course, why would you subscribe if you are new to the channel? You would obviously want to watch the full video to know if it's worthy or not. So keep watching till the end and let's continue. So what sets Rytr apart from the other AI copywriting tools? Well, there are a lot of factors, but let's talk about the first one, that is the price. Now, Rytr is very affordable compared to other AI copywriting tools, as you can see in the screen right now, and they are the only ones that offer a forever free plan. Most of the other AI copywriting tools provide a limited number of credits free trial or a 7-day or 3-day trial, but Rytr has a forever free plan, and in that plan you get 5,000 characters per month for free every single month. And I so wish that it was 5,000 words instead of characters, because I tested Rytr and ended up those 5,000 characters within a day. But I can see how the forever free plan of Rytr can actually end up being a good tool for those who are light users. For example, for some specific use cases like generating YouTube title, which uses less characters, so you'll probably end up satisfied with the forever free plan of 5,000 characters, and you'll keep getting those 5,000 characters every single month. So it might work for you. But for power users like me, Rytr's $29 monthly plan is actually pretty good and affordable compared to all the other AI copywriting tools. Which brings me to the question, how good Rytr's output is compared to the others. Now, of course, this isn't a comparison video between the others, because then I would have to show you and test the other tools, so it will become like a very long video, and the one that I was talking about at the beginning of the video that has all the comparisons. So instead I will be testing only and only Rytr and then provide feedback on how it gave me the outcome. So let's test Rytr now. Before we move on to test it, there's another standout point of Rytr. It provides a lot of language support compared to other AI copywriting tools. So for example, it provides, as far as I remember, about 25 or 20, you can see in the screen. And I know that some people will really appreciate the wide range of language support of Rytr. Alright, so let's now test Rytr. And in the language setting, as I told you, it supports a lot of languages, and I'm gonna select English, of course. For this video, I'm gonna select the tone assertive. Then I'm gonna choose an use case, and they offer a lot of use cases, and I'm gonna choose tagline and headline because I'm creating my homepage, and in that homepage I wanna add a section, and I don't know what to write in that section. And the section is about leads, cold audience, then warm audience, then conversion. So it's about sales funnel. So I want to write how my agency can convert cold visitors into warm, then sales. So let's give it a description. I've already written a description here. Convert your cold visitors to warm leads using our lead magnets and squeeze pages, landing pages designed to capture email addresses, and turn your product pages to sales generation machine. So this is what I could come up with, and the rest of the heavy lifting Rytr has to do it. So let's see what it comes up with. I will give it 2 or 3 variations. You can give it 1 if you have limited characters. And this is what it came up with. We make it easy to convert visitors into customers. It is no longer enough to have a website just for the sake of having one. People now expect websites to be more than just a place to show your products and services. Then what is your conversion funnel? What? I mean, okay, collecting leads and generating sales. I'm asking for a headline here, so obviously I would want it to be 1 or 2 lines. So what is your conversion funnel? It may, I mean, it is asking my visitors that what's your conversion funnel. Sure, if they are educated enough, then they would say it is a good punchline. But if my visitors don't even know what a conversion funnel is, they just want sales and leads, then I don't know how it will explain them. So collecting leads and generating sales, it is, yeah, pretty much a one-line summary of what I have described here. So I'm confused here, and this is a bit long. We make it easy to convert visitors into customers. Yeah, if we only use this line, I think this is a very good line. This is pretty much what this description explains in just one line, and this can be a sub description of that title. But I think I won't fully copy and paste whatever content it generates, but I will take inspiration from this. So for my website, by the way, it's a real website I'm doing, so all this content that I'm generating is for my real use case. So I will take some of the suggestions from Rytr, and that is the main takeaway that you should take from this video, that you cannot depend on it, but you can take suggestions from it. So I will take this suggestion, collecting leads and generating sales, and I will create my own title based on this. So the title that I created, so the title that I created is actually this. Don't look at the text, I haven't created it, I just copy and pasted from my previous section here. But the title that I created was leads to sales, and it was very much inspired from this, collecting leads and generating sales. So Rytr inspired me to create my title of my homepage section, but I did not copy and paste, I took suggestions from it. So that's the main idea that you should get from this video, that yeah, you cannot depend on all of them, but it does a pretty good job to give you an inspiration. And if you are having a writer's block, this is a fantastic tool. So now for the second test, I will choose blog section writing. Let's see what it creates for my content. But it will be based on blog, so I'm gonna write the same exact copy I write for the tagline and headline. So for the blog section writing, I'm gonna use the same keywords that I used, but it seems like it has 100 and 100. It has a 100 limit. So I will edit a little bit, convert cold visitors to warm leads. Alright, so this is my narrowed down headline: generate leads to sales and capture email addresses in squeeze pages and product pages. So I gave it all the keywords that I could give. So let's see how much good content it creates. I'll want 3 variations to compare. So let's write. Alright, so it took about 15 seconds, I think, and it gave me these 3 sections. So let's see. Marketing professionals have to generate leads to sales and capture email addresses from the customers in order to bring them back to their website. Let's look at marketing professionals have to generate leads. Okay, this line is alright, but have to generate leads to sales. I don't think this is grammatically correct. If it would have ignored this sales part, I think that would have been okay, and capture email addresses from the customers in order to bring them back to their website. I don't think they should use customers, because at this point they are not really customers, they are just warm leads if they gave their email address. There are a few ways that marketing professionals generate leads. They can make sure of promotional offers, social media ads, cold calling, or follow-up emails. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this line. I didn't give anything about offers and all that. I didn't give anything of how to generate leads, but this is a very good line. On the other hand, there are many ways that marketing professionals can capture email addresses from potential clients. I think they should have used this word here. Instead of customers, they could have used potential clients. That's exactly why That's exactly what I wanted them to use. They used it here, which is good. Potential clients, they can use a form on a web page, pop-ups and landing pages on their website. Alright, I very much like these two paragraphs here. So I'll actually delete this line because I don't like it. Let's move on to the second one. The best way to generate leads for the sales team is to capture email addresses in every possible way. The most common places where you will find these features are in squeeze pages and product pages. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna copy this later. Let's look at the second one. Some people think that capturing email address is a waste of time because they might not convert into customers, but when they see that they are building their contact list, they start getting more invested in business and are more likely to make future purchases from you. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. These two are amazing. I'm gonna use them. Of course, I'm gonna edit and rearrange the things. Let's look at the third one. It is important to have a lead generation strategy in place on your pages. Capturing email addresses and using them to generate leads is an excellent way to get sales. This is a repeat of this one, but I don't like this one. I think the wording used in this is much better, so I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna rewrite this into this, just rearrange them and edit them. Alright, so I'm done. I just rearranged the things and also added these two subheadings of the blog post. So yeah, why you should generate leads. Some people think that capturing email address is a waste of time because they might not convert into customers, but when they see that building a contact list, they start getting more invested in business and are more likely to make future purchases from you. How to generate leads? The best way to generate leads is to capture email address in every way possible. Most common place is squeeze page and product page. There are few ways to generate leads that they can make use of promotional offers, social media ads, cold calling or follow-up emails. On the other hand, there are many ways that marketing professionals can capture email address from potential clients. They can use a form. They can use a form on a web page, pop-ups and landing pages on their website. Let me just edit this. Potential clients or potential customers. Alright, this is perfect. This is perfect. So let me remind you again that any AI copywriting tool, okay, I don't know about other copywriting tools, I haven't tried them yet. So about Rytr, you should just edit and rearrange things and delete some of them. So do your due diligence, and this will definitely help you if you have a writer's block or just don't know where to start. You just give basically 2.5 lines and it will create so much content for you. And as you can see, some of them are not even in your keywords here, like how to generate leads, it's not there, and where to generate leads and all that. So I really love the content. So yeah, let's move on to the next test. You got to know how a blog page would be written by Rytr, and now let's go for my website section. I'm gonna use this. I'll write my website name, portfolio, about website. It's web design and web development. Alright, features. Yeah, features, I'm gonna write the same thing as the last time. Alright, so this is my features I wrote, and I think let's go. 3 variants. I don't know how much words it will generate. The edited one here is only 154 words, but it took about 1000 characters, I think, the original one with 3 variations. So let's see this one. Alright, so here's the heading. Portfolio is a one-stop solution for your design and web development needs. We have designed and developed our website to be interactive with an easy-to-use interface that's perfect for beginners but still powerful enough for advanced users. This is more like for a SaaS website, but mine isn't a SaaS website. But well, yeah, it can't tell whether mine's a SaaS or a web development service provider website. But anyways, I don't need this one. What I need is these. So let's look at them. Cold visitors, no problem. We know that everyone who visits your website will also be ready to buy. That's why we have made it easy to offer them something in exchange for the email address. Example, a free design tool. You can even use the same lead magnet on all your pages in case you want to give people more of an intensive incentive to sign up. Designers and developers, we've got you covered. No matter what kind of project you're working on, we've got you covered. Need some landing pages design or maybe some graphic needed, well, we'll take care of it all. So this is more like the entire page copy, not a section copy, which makes sense. It says here that it's a full page website copy. Makes sense, yeah. This is the section that I'm looking for anyways. Products that sell themselves, we know how important it is to be able to showcase your products effectively on a website. That's why we make sure that the designs are mobile friendly, fast loading, and designed with conversion in mind. I love this. This is actually a quick summary of my website sections here, all the sections combined. So yeah, I love this one. Let's look at the second variation here. Lead magnets for squeeze pages. Alright, convert your cold visitors to warm leads by offering them a compelling offer inside a high converting squeeze page. We offer various types of lead magnets like free guides, templates, ebooks to choose from. Landing pages designed to capture email addresses. Create landing pages that are optimized for conversion with right headline, copywriting formulas, and design choices. Test out different templates. I'm loving it. It is writing all the possibilities. Look, it is writing all the possibilities that I told. Product page that converts. I absolutely love it. Boost your sales with product pages specially designed to convert. Offer compelling features about your products. Include an opt-in form at the end of the page. I love it. All three. This second variation is so much better than the first variation. I love this second variation. Let's finally look at the third one to see if it provides something different. Identify and convert all your cold visitors into warm leads. Ever miss out on a sale? Create multiple landing. No, this is again, it's drag and drop editor. I think this thinks that my website is more like a SaaS service provider, which is not. But okay, get more conversions with the A/B testing feature. No. This third variation is not what I'm looking for. I'm going to delete this one. I'll definitely keep the second one, and I don't need this. I don't need this, but this is alright. Yeah, definitely don't need the second one. I mean the second section here. I'll delete this headline as well, and I'm gonna do some rearranging and editing like last time, and let's see what final output I can create with this that Rytr gave me. I think I'm gonna settle with this one with a little bit of moderation, a little bit of edit on the final product on my homepage, because this is again not a SaaS. This is not a SaaS service that I'm providing. I'm providing a direct website creation service, but that is thinking that I'm providing a SaaS service, so the tone is based on that. But I think the tone can be controlled here, so it has a lot of tones now. Yeah, my bad that I don't know what these tones actually mean, so I don't know which tone to choose from, but I'm sure you can all select your best tone here. So if I would have given it a right tone, I'm sure it would have given me a better result when it comes to the tone, but that's okay. I got my content, I'm gonna edit it to maybe make it active, so active voice. So right now it is a passive voice, I think, and I'm just gonna edit it and make it an active voice result, so that it doesn't look like a SaaS offering and more like an website package offering. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you do, then press the thumbs up button. Let me know if you need more reviews like this for other AI copywriting tools, and subscribe if you want to watch those videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.